Aloha! Welcome to Lesson 4 of Module 6, Grade 5. And we're going to jump right in on this coordinate grid that is on the magnifying glass page in your book. And I made my own copy. You have a much nicer one with some pictures on it, but that's what we're referencing today, so please get to that page. And it's a zoo, right? It's a map of a zoo, and we see that we have grid lines. We have axes, right? More than one axis is axes, right? Because we have the y-axis and the x-axis. So that means we have two axes, and we have points for each location. And at the origin, we have a gate. I could have just written the word gate, the entrance gate of the zoo. And the zoo visitor is going to the entrance gate, and they're going to walk 8 units to the right and then 10 units up. What is the nearest exhibit to that visitor's location? So let's check it out. 8 units to the right from the gate, so they're going to go over to the 8. That would be their x coordinate. And then 10 up, that would be their y coordinate. So that would be the giraffe, which is located at 8, 10. Always x coordinate first, followed by y coordinate. Just a little review, make sure that you are working on that ordered pair, y coordinate, x coordinate. Remember, ordered pair is the name of those two, right? A pair is two, like a pair of shoes, 2 numbers together. All right, very good. And what is at point 5-3? What is at 5-3? Let's see. 5, going across 5, and up 3. That's the panda. So we can write the ordered pair for the panda. 5-3. Awesome. How did you get from the entrance gate to the panda exhibit? You would go to the right 5 and up 3. And once again, those are just units. It could be blocks, it could be meters, it could be kilometers, it could be any unit, right? So we're just calling it units. All right, so what is the ordered pair for the ticket stand? What is the ordered pair for the ticket stand? The tickets is right here, and you can't really see it because of my yucky gate drawing there, but it's 1 across. Oop, I went too far. 1 across and 2 up. So our ordered pair would be 1, 2, right? X, 1, Y is 2. Across and up. Across and up. Yep. All right, very good. And from the ticket stand, to the lions. From the ticket stand to the lions. How could we get from the ticket stand to the lions? Tickets. Now see, this is what we're working on in this lesson. Sorry, I forgot to show you your lesson page. Describe the distance and direction between points in the coordinate plane. So we're going to be looking at distance to the right, to the left, up and down, between points, and distance and direction. Okay, so that's what we're working on today in lesson 4. And so now we're going to go between 2 things, not always from the origin to another one, but between 2 different places. So if we're at the ticket stand and we want to go to the lions, we can just go 10 that way, right? Because ticket stand is at x is 1, and the lions is x is 11, and the y is 2. So look at those 2 ordered pairs. We have 1, 2. And we have 11, 2. Do you see something that is similar to them? They are both at y2, right? But your x is changing by 10. So you can see that you're moving only over in x, but you're staying at y on the 2, right? Okay, very good. How about between the snack bar and the elephant exhibit? If we are at the snack bar and we want to go to the elephant exhibit, okay, snack bar, what's the coordinates for snack bar? Coordinates. Important word. So many vocabulary words, right? Coordinates, those are your numbers that describe your location, right? Coordinates are numbers. So your snack bar is 3, 4. Snack bar is 3, 4. And elephant is 3, 8. Okay, so let's look at snack bar and elephant. You see something that's the same between those two ordered pairs. They both have a 3 in the X. And you see something that's different is the snack bar is at 4 for Y and the elephant is at 8 for Y. So I just need to go 4 up to get from the snack bar to the elephant, right? Okay, very good. When we describe movement between points in a coordinate plane, we use directions, right, left, up, or down. When we start at one point and we move right or left, the X coordinate of the resulting point is different. And when we start at one point and move up or down, the Y is different, right? So between the snack bar and the elephant, it's our Y that's changing. Between the tickets and the lion, it's the X that's changing. Got that? Okay. All right. Let's look at C, which is the third question on your magnifying glass page that we've kind of been answering the questions already, haven't we? Let me just look at those questions real quick. I lost the questions. There we go. Okay, so A was Kayla going from the ticket stand and wants to see the lions. So tickets to lions. We answered that question, but I didn't tell you that it was A, right? So that was 10 to the right. So that answer should be in a sentence. The lion exhibit is 10 units to the right of the ticket stand, or something similar to that. And then Lacey eats lunch at the snack bar. What animal exhibit is 4 units away from Lacey? She's eating at the snack bar. What animal exhibit is 4 units away? That would be the elephant, right? And we talked about how it's 4 up. All right, and then C, which exhibit is 4 units to the right and 1 unit down from the restrooms? So we're making 2 moves now. 4 units to the right, so go to the restrooms or the bathroom, whatever you want to call it. 4 units to the right and 1 unit down. Can you do that one by yourself? 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 unit down is the giraffe. So please write down the giraffe exhibit is the answer to letter C on your magnifying glass page. Okay, so we're talking about 1 movement. We're also learning 2 movements now, okay? Now, we have been talking about up, down, left, and right, but we also have what we call cardinal directions. Cardinal directions, and that is north, south, east, and west. All right? North, south, east, and west. North is up, south is down, east is right, and west is left. Now, of course, that's not always going to work out in the world, but when you're looking at a map, that's how maps are oriented. So check out this map of Hawaii Island. This is the island that my students and I live on. And you can see down here, there's just says north. It doesn't have the whole compass rose, but it shows us that this is north. And Kilauea volcano is right here. And you can see that Hilo, one of the main cities, is north of Kilauea volcano, right? It's north of it. And down here we have what we call South Point. This is the southernmost point in the whole United States. It is south of the island, South Point. Here we have Kailua Kona. This is another town or city on the island. It is on the west side. Hilo is on the east side. And Kohala is on the north. So north, south are opposites. East and west are opposites. And those are very important directions to know for reading any kind of map, whether it's on your phone or on paper, and also for being able to give directions and know where things are in life. So if you don't know those cardinal directions, please learn them as soon as you can, like right now. Okay, so let's stop here and come back and work a little bit more on cardinal directions in our next video. So thanks so much for your hard work. If you want to, you could take a screenshot of this or pause this and make sure you have those answers written down. Aloha.